Good morning, guys. Today is Sunday, guys. Happy blessed Sunday sa lahat. Maghahanda kami kay pupunta kami church. Ayan. Habang nag-aantay sa mga ate, naman tayo. Mga kuya. Mag-hairstyle tayo, guys. Kay bunso.
Chopping the pepper onion.
Kukuha lang tayo dito sa harap.
The pepper onion they chopped up. Yummy all the onions.
What color do you want, Cassie?
Pink.
Pink?
I'm pink today.
Pink lang. Kasi ako hindi pa naka-supply.
And this is purple onion.
Pink daw siya today.
And this is cucumber. What? I put it in here, the pepper onions. And Isa, would you like to try a little bit of my rainbow carrots and my cucumbers that you can't see?
So guys, titira,
Or would you like my purple
i-braid natin.
onions? Purple
Mag-braid
onions.
tayo.
What can you use that brush? Onions.
Yeah. Ate, give it to ate.
But I needed to chop my vegetables.
Yeah.
I needed to chop my vegetables.
Braid natin to ng dalawa.
Together. Stick it together. And I'm gonna use some these to make some cabbages.
Magsisimba tayo.
Cabbages. Cabbages. Cabbages.
Where are we going, Cassie?
Church.
Church? Why are we going to the church?
Because today is church.
There's church. Steady, anak. Sandali lang to na
Now it's time to chop them up. Let's see. Ito, cabbages. 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 I'm done chopping the cabbages. So we'll put it here. Look at all my
Tapos,
look at all
talian
my
natin,
vegetables,
guys,
Mama.
para hindi
Look at
siya
my vegetables. Look at my vegetables, Mama.
Yeah. It's not.
This is purple onion, and this is cabbage, and this is rainbow carrot, and this is cucumber that you can't see.
Parang nasanay na akong magmadali, guys.
Okay, now it's time to.
And then, the other one.
Wow.
Okay, wala tayo kasi upuan.
Okay,
Dito naman.
now it's time to get
Yan.
some tomatoes.
Braid din natin tong kabila.
How about some carrots?
Ha?
Yeah, carrot.
What carrots?
Yeah, rainbow carrots.
Lemon.
We don't need lemon for a salad. But maybe a little bit more. Like a tomato. Now we're going to chop this up.
Anong oras na?
Chopping it up. Chop. Chop.
11:30. Pang second mass kami, guys.
And then now we put the tomato
Second mass.
over here.
Second mass ba pa? Third mass.
Okay,
Third mass
time
na
to
pala
put the
kami.
tomato here. And then,
Bunso
this
kayo
is,
naglalaro.
this is, you can't see cucumber.
Wait lang, anak. Wait.
Look at this, huh? This is,
Wait,
you
wait,
can't
wait.
see cucumber. What? Give me my cucumber. Give me my cucumber. That's fine, you can get it. No, I need it now.
Yan, ganito rin natin ulit.
Yeah, I need it. Come on. You can't see my cucumber because they're cucumber. This is your can't see cucumber. This is tomato. You see? This is tomato.
Ha? Nasa wallet ko. Bigyan mo
This
si
is
Papa.
purple onion.
Okay. Then,
This,
bilis na dali.
this is
Akin na.
cabbage. And this is rainbow carrot.
Then, hatiin lang natin. Maghahati tayo.
Did you sew
ng
everything
sarili.
Ate Izza?
Ewan ko kung middle.
What was your
middle ba
favorite
itong
part? The carrot. The rainbow carrot? And what else? The visible cucumber. Okay. Because you can't see it, that's so cool.
Simple
How
hairstyle
much
lang to,
vegetables
guys.
are there now?
Ayan.
Okay, lemon to squeeze on the carrot.
Papakita
To squeeze on
natin
the
mamaya
salad.
kung anong itsura.
Why?
Ito na. Pink
Okay.
pala siya. Pink.
Cut it. Maybe just one piece of lemon. Squeeze, squeeze. Now put them squeeze them in every vegetable. So then it tastes very
Ayan.
sweet.
Tapos lagay natin yung ginawa natin.
It's so sweet, the vegetables now. Now what do we put now, guys? Oh, you want us to put a little bit of salt? Okay.
Okay.
A little bit of salt, you said so.
Ayan guys, eto na ang hairstyle ni Bunso. Going to church. Ayan. Ito yung pinaka-front niya guys. Ayan. O, diba?
Mama, hello.
Hello! Ayan. O, ni-braid ko siya. Kumuha lang ako ng small parts dito sa harap. Then, ni-braid ko. Ayan. Tapos, nilagyan ko ng tali dito. O, diba? Ayan ang hairstyle ni Bunso guys. Ayan. Ang tsura ng harap. Pagtalikod naman, dito siya. O, diba? Ayan ang hairstyle ni Bunso. Pupunta kaming church guys. Bye guys! Thank you for watching! Have a blessed Sunday everyone!
Bye.